everyone, it's Katie from the School Hive, and today I'm going to show you how I'm getting ready for summer school. Now, if you don't know already, I'm a special ed teacher, so my summer school looks a little different. It's called ESY, which stands for Extended School Year. It's for students who need extra help maintaining their goals over long periods of breaks. This weekend, I planned and started to get my binder together for ESY. For this, you're going to need a folder, dividers with pockets is a must, a binder, goal sheets, communication log, a master log, a labeler, and a pen. I started by opening up my dividers. I'm going to have 7 students for ESY, and each one will have a designated divider with their name laminated on the tab. Now, due to confidentiality, I did not do this, but instead I printed out a 1 and put it on the first tab to show you how it would look. I will then put all of their goal pages in the front side of the divider. Since this is top secret information also, here's a fun fake example that you can look at. The back of each divider will have a few pages of communication logs to keep track of everything I do with and for the student, as well as when I communicate with parents. Last but not least, I have my cute summer folder, which I am putting my weekly schedule in with a master list. This class master list is basically a spreadsheet that lets me see all of my students' goals, accommodations, and anything else I feel is important that I need to know in order to help them learn. And it's all in one spot for all of my students. And after that, that's basically all that I have in order to be ready for summer school. I hope you guys like this video. Feel free to subscribe and like it below. You can also check out the details of my ESY binder at the School Hive blog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, happy teaching.